Hey guys, I have a really fun pattern for you today that uses the reverse double half hitch knot. If you are unfamiliar with this knot, I have a tutorial that explains the knot in detail. I'll link it in the description for you. Before we get started, I quickly want to remind you that I wrote a book and it is available for pre-order now. Please see the description for details on my book and how to pre-order. Thanks again so much for your support. Okay, let's get started on today's tutorial. Just a quick note, this tutorial was filmed against a white wall at our new house. All my previous tutorials were filmed against a gray wall. Let me know what works best for you and what is the clearest. I can always put a colored backdrop behind my work when I am filming. For your setup, cut 2 pieces of natural 3mm cotton string and 2 pieces of burgundy 3mm cotton string. Each piece is 2 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using lark's head knots. This tutorial is intended to introduce you to the idea of using color when tying the reverse double half hitch knot. I have a few more tutorials planned that will show you how to tie a few different colorful designs using this knot, so stay tuned for those in the coming weeks. We will tie rows of reverse double half hitch knots to create a diagonal striped pattern. Tie rows of 4, then 3 reverse double half hitch knots until you've created a piece of your desired length. Without any adjustments, there will be 2 stripes of natural cotton string down the middle of your design because both cords on the left side of your work will be used as your working cords. In the coming weeks, I'll show you how to adjust this to create different patterns. Here is what the back of your work will look like. As you can see, this is typically the front side of the double half hitch knot. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.